Hi, I'm Shanae with WTI. So today I wanted to show you one of my absolute favorite lipsticks. It's one that I've bought over and over again, and it's this Color Statement lipstick by Milani. Now I have it in the shade Naturally Chic, and I love the shade because it's something I can wear every day. It's not too bright. So I would say it's somewhere in between a dark nude and a mauve. So it adds just a subtle amount of color just so you can barely notice it. And I really like the way it complements my medium skin tone. It feels really smooth going on and it has a really nice moisturizing feel to it. There's also a bit of a shine to this lipstick, but it's not glossy. It's pretty long lasting. I'll wear this all day and maybe I'll reapply it once or twice. So I'm a huge fan of this lipstick. I would definitely put it up there with some of the more expensive higher end makeup brands that I've tried. And this is only a fraction of the price, so that is amazing. So I totally recommend this, and that's my point of view.